Item number 9, my lord. My affidavit has gone for signature, my lord. So I'm seeking for 1 week time.
Item 9.
9, Your Worship.
Same matter. No?
Same matter.
So item number 10 will also be adjourned, my lord. Then it is stack matter, my lord.
These are
It's with
connected
Mr.
matters.
Lanish, Lord.
Connected matter.
9 and 10, these are connected matters.
Connected, same matter, my lord. Where my lord, Lok Ayuk's authority has been challenged, my lord. In both the matters, my lord.
10.
Your petition on number 10.
In number 10, I'm the petitioner.
And Mr. Under item 9, you are the petitioner.
Lordship, number 9 is regarding the service of the termination of the petitioner, Lordship.
Oh, this is a different matter than my lord. I'm sorry.
Number 9 is about termination from service.
Okay, number 9. How long you want?
1 week, my lord.
No objection, Lordship.
The request may not be just after a week. There's an order to directing you to file an
My
affidavit.
lord, initially we had filed the affidavit, my lord, but subsequently the petition was amended, my lord. To that we are filing a response, my lord.
Okay, yes. All right. One.
Deeply.
We're just passing it over for one.
Right.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15 and 16, Lordship. Lordship, here I'm praying some more time to file our objection, Lordship.
Fifteen, no?
And 16.
My lord, the interim. Your lordships, in item 15, I am appearing for the petitioner. My only
see-
humble request was
Yes,
to
yes, please wait, please wait.
2
Please,
weeks,
please.
Lordship.
please allow.
This objection against what?
Seeking staying of the proceeding, Lordship, in PS case number 2 of 2023, which was pending in the court of West Kari Hills, Lordship.
No, just a minute. This is a case. You are the respondent number?
True, Lordship.
Yes. And you want to file objection against what?
Against the application, Lordship, which they have filed.
We had filed a
Petition
missed
for?
case to stay the proceedings, my lord,
Proceeding, Lordship.
and you want to file a counter.
Implement.
No, lordship. We had filed a missed case to stay the proceedings, my lord, and court had granted us some protection, and my lord,
Yes.
he had prayed for time to file
Okay,
a
you are
counter.
not yet to file.
Yes, Lordship. After
But
2
then
weeks,
if the matter is cited for filing hearing, what is the purpose of filing?
Lordship,
that?
after 2
You can
weeks.
finish it. Anyway, just in the miss case. This will be in the miss case, isn't it?
Yes, Lord.
Yes. Desperate by MS JT Sangma.
Judge Singh.
Learned browser. Further, how long you want?
2 weeks, Lordship.
Time is granted to file an objection.
My lord, the interim may be continued, my lord.
The interim order passed earlier. Shall continue.
Lordship, there is a connected issue. Another miscase has been filed by my friend for impleading me, the Lokayukta.
Yes.
That's also been pending for quite some time.
So anyway, these matters all matters will be taken up together then. This another miscase, just see whether that implement and in the main petition all should be listed after 2 weeks. All these matters, just say list after 2 weeks. Okay.
Team lead.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 20. I've already informed the other side.
Item
My lord, I am for item number 20.
20, 21, and 22 are connected matters now.
yes.
20, 21, and 22, I am for respondent 4, lordship.
Yes.
Kindly have it after 2 weeks.
No
ma'am.
objection.
No objection.
No
Okay.
objection.
No objection, lordship.
Yes. 22 address at the request made on behalf of the petition list after 2 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged.
Item number
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23, lordship.
23.
I am
Yes.
for the lordship. I am on behalf of Dr. P. Agarwal and she is indisposed. So, lordship, at least 2 weeks time may be given.
Yes. Respondent.
my lord, item number 13 and 14, my lord.
23. Wait. Who is there in item 23? Kindly.
23.
Who is there in 23? No, there is no one for the state.
Lordship, my apologies.
Yes. Just say straight for on behalf of Dr. P. Agarwal.
MSS not.
Dr. P. Agarwal. Straight for by Miss MS so on behalf of Dr. P. Agarwal, Legal Aid Counsel appearing for the appellant. This is matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
Team Leverage.
Obliged,
Please, Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 11, Lordship. Lordship, I'm praying this matter may be listed after 2 weeks.
Who is there? Item 11, respondent. Any objection?
No objection, Lordship.
No objection. Okay. Petitioners, with the request made on with the petitioners, not objected to by the learned counsel of the respondents. This is matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged.
My lord, I'm praying for item number 13 and 14, my lord. I'm for the petitioner, my lord. I've taken consent of my friend, my lord. This matter can be taken after 2 weeks, my lord.
13 and 14
Yes, my lord.
after 2 weeks. The request made on with.
And item number 10, my lord, is also a local matter, my lord. That also has to go along, my lord.
Item 10.
Then I'm for the petitioner, my lord.
Why it has to go?
Here also, my lord,
And then I'm for respondent 2 and 3.
we are challenging, my lord, the order passed by the local, my lord, whereby, my lord, he has directed to register an FIR. Whether that is permissible or not, my lord, that
Respondents?
I'm for 2
No
and 3, Lokayukta, Lordship.
No
Stay
problem.
respondents.
So after 2 weeks.
after 2 weeks.
For sure.
Then also, the request of the petitioner not objected to by the learned counsel for the respondents.
Lordship,
List of 2 weeks. Yes.
item 28, Lordship. Criminal appeal. It may be taken up after 2 weeks, Lordship. I've informed him other side.
I'm for the appellant.
2 weeks, Lordship.
28. Yes, sir. The request made on behalf of the state respondents. Not objected to by the learned counsel appearing for the appellant. List this matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25, my lord, on behalf of the state.
Yes.
My lord, can you have this matter after 2 weeks, my lord?
Respondent is not appear here, isn't it?
No, my lord.
After 2 weeks, the request.
Team Leverage.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6. Lordship, the senior counsel is having a personal difficulty. I pray for 1 week time, Your Lordship.
No objection, Lordship.
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent 7 and 8 now.
No objection. Yes, sir. The request made on behalf of the learned senior counsel appearing. Petitioners, comma, not objected to by the learned counsel for the appearing of the respondents. List is matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 29. I have already informed the other side also, Your Honor, my lord. I'm praying for 3 weeks time.
Who is the other side?
Lordship, we have no objections.
Okay. 29 inches, sir. The request made on behalf of the petitioner. List after 2 weeks.
Team
Yes.
Leverage.
I do oblige.
Oh, appellant, not to petitioner, it's appellant.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 27.
Yes.
The conducting counsel is out of station, Your Lordship. So we are praying for 2 weeks time.
You are making mention on behalf of
The conducting counsel.
phone number?
Sir, we are the respondents. We are the respondent. From,
27.
yes, Your Honor.
Are you the state respondent?
No,
No,
Then
Your Honor.
I'm the state respondent.
Then who? You are appearing for which respondent? You do not know. Yes, Mr. Sangupta is appearing for which respondent? Can you? Oh, acha, you also. This is a. Huh? Yes, sir. Yes, you are for the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship.
How many private respondents are there in this case, in your case?
Your Lordship, this matter is regarding quashing of
How many
FIR.
private respondents are there? In this?
Oh, just one, Your Honor. Just one, Your Honor.
His respondent number?
No, I'm for the petitioner, Your Lordship. Oh, just one, Your Honor. One state Meghalaya and others. Number 3. I'm for the number 3, Your Honor.
Number 3, Your Lordship.
So you are making a.
Yes, Your Lordship.
State?
No, I'm for petitioner. Number 3.
Is it correct?
Yes, my lord. The state is 1 and 2. And
Yes. One prayer made on behalf of the private respondent number 3. This is matter on prayer made by Mr. So-and-so, just so you see. Learned counsel, on behalf of the respondent number 3, this is matter after 2 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Next time, before you make a mention, please take all the details. Do not take things granted.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 30. I've taken consent from the petitioner, Lordship.
My lord.
No
No
problem.
objection, my lord.
2 weeks, Lordship.
On the request. You're appearing on behalf of respondent?
Number 1.
2 and 3 have taken steps, my lord, and the
The-
same has been delivered, but none
then
is
they have not
appeared till
entered
date, my
appearance.
lord.
Okay. The request made by so-and-so, list after 2 weeks.
Highly
Obliged, your lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 31. Lordship.
Yes.
Kindly list this matter after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Yes, 31. The petition. 31. The request made on behalf of the petitioner, list after 2 weeks.
Yes,
Yes.
Obliged.
obliged.
I beg to mention item number 19. This is regarding the watching of the box of proceedings, my lord. My lord may fix it after 2 weeks, my lord.
What 2 weeks? Yes, 3 weeks, Lordship, because the matter is pending in the DB. Right, 3 weeks.
That is that POXO matter.
POXO matter. Subject is pending in the DB.
Many cases pending because of that thing.
3 weeks.
Yes, sir. The request on behalf of the petitioner. List after 3 weeks. Yes.
Obliged.
Lordship, mention item number 18.
Yes.
It's also for quashing matter, which is pending before the
This
CTC.
was 3 weeks.
Same.
Same amount like before. Yes.
Item number 1.
Yes.
Your Lordship, can you have this matter on Monday, Your Lordship, as the arguing counsel will be here personally?
No, this is in the order column, isn't it? Okay. This is for admission. Who is the respondent?
Lordship, I'm appear for respondent. Let it come after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
On the joint prayer made with the parties, this is matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Item number 2.
Yes.
Well, the service in this matter is complete. And
Anyone appearing for respondent number 225?
My lordship.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Pandey.
yes, my lord, so this matter, my lord, so the matter was to be taken up now, my lord, on admission hearing. I believe I had, my lords, prepared a compilation after going through the trial court records of the relevant documents for the convenience of this court, my lords,
Yes.
because I wanted to demonstrate to the court, my lords, how in each and every stage, from the suit to the application of interim orders and then to the orders passed, my lords, they have been directed against MECL. And the project, my lords, thereafter has been stayed, which has been completed, my lords, to the extent of 95%.
So you want to say the trial court was conscious that
Yes, my lords.
those orders will affect you. It will have adverse
Yes, my
effect
lords.
on you.
Right, my lords. Right, my lords. That is my case. My lords, because I cannot see my colleague there, so my lords can have it next week. I will be there physically, and then my lords, my lords can hear the arguments on the admission of the
Malas,
matter.
meantime, they may supply us a copy of the compilations.
Yes, you can supply a copy of the
Yes,
compilation.
my lords. We will supply a copy of it.
Okay, list after a week. The request made on behalf of the petitioner.
Should be recorded in the miss case as well. The miss case for
Miss case also will be listed after a week. Miss
Yes,
case also
lords.
list along with.
Yes, ma'am.
Obliged.
Obliged, your lordship.
Item number 3.
Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, I am entering appearance on behalf of the respondent, Lordship.
Sole respondent.
Sole respondent, Lordship.
Yes, so
I prefer some time, Lordship, to file my
you
reply.
obtain instruction.
Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Pandit, learned counsel has entered appearance on behalf of the sole respondent today and prayed for grant of some time to obtain necessary instructions. Period allowed, list after
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks. Period allowed, list after 2 weeks. Yes.
Also blessed, Lordship.
Item number 4.
Your Lordship, in item number 4, I'm appearing on behalf of S. Date. So this is a quashing petition, Your Lordship, and on the last date we have issued notice, I believe. Learned counsel is appearing for the respondent.
Private respondent notice was issued on private respondent for the issued.
Oh, there is a case where ex parte order was issued.
Yes, Your
Yes,
Lordship.
Lordship. Against an accused. How can it be in a criminal case?
Yes, Your Lordship, and yes, Your Lordship was pleased to pass stay order, and on the basis of that order,
We have issued notice, Your Lordship, to the other respondent in this matter. So, we have, if Your Lordship allow, we will file a affidavit of service. Yes, what the office note says with regard to this thing? It's delivered. Okay, no, it has been delivered. You have checked it. Yes, Lordship. I'll confirm, Your Lordship, because I'm not appearing in this matter. I'm just appearing today on behalf. So, what shall we say? Shall we wait for the status report, Lordship, or you will verify his file? We'll verify, and if yes, the office note dated. You will appear for a number 1.
respondent one state, Your Lordship.
Yes. Lordship, I pray that the interim order may be kindly extended. The office note dated 28/4/2025 indicates that service report upon the respondent number 2 has not yet been received. Stop. The petitioner shall verify the status of service. Petitioner shall verify the status and file an affidavit of service in respect of respondent number 2. List after 2 weeks. Highly obliged. The interim order. Was it till the returnable date, the last one?
It was
Yes.
26th March. It was
March.
supposed to be.
Okay, interim order passed earlier. Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the returnable date. Hello, right.
Much obliged.
Hearing item number 5.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm praying for some time, Lordship, in this matter. I'm not well versed for the day.
For respondent 1 to 3, Your Lordship.
Do you have objection?
No objection, Your Lordship.
Yes, on the request made on behalf of the petitioners, not objected to by the learned counsel, appearing for the respondents, list this matter after
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks. Yes.
Item number 7. Your Lordship, in this matter, we are to take instructions whether
Yes,
the
you have to take
petitioner.
instruction for last 2 years.
Your Lordship, Lordship, this time we had spoken to them over the phone, but they have not returned back to us with proper instructions. So, Your Lordship, this time we'll be writing a formal letter to the association itself, Your Lordship.
See, if your clients are not responding to your call, we should dismiss the matter.
Your Lordship, I'm just
We
asking.
can say that you have lost contact with your clients.
Your Lordship,
So the
this-
blame will not go.
Your Lordship, I'm just praying for a last chance. We'll be writing a formal letter itself to the association.
Yes, Mr. Khan.
So,
Well, just say. But the request made on behalf of the petitioner, not objected to by the learned counsel for the respondents, list this matter after 2 weeks.
Highly
You
obliged.
obtain instructions.
Your
Next
Lordship.
time, probably this court will not give it.
Highly obliged. Item number 8.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Sandar.
Lordship, this is an application under 428 Lordship of the CRPC Lordship for quashing of the FIR and the subsequent proceedings before the Lordship. Here, Lordship, what has happened is, Lordship, on the basis of an FIR, Lordship, give me 2 minutes on this. Lordship, on 12/8/2013, an FIR was lodged, Lordship, by Shri K.K. Jha of Fulbari PS, Lordship. Lordship, Lordship may just
This
kindly
is a
take
case which was filed in 2019.
19, Lordship, 19.
Yes, and is there any interim order?
Lordship, interim order was there, Lordship. On 17/9/2019, an order was there, Lordship. Thereafter, on 18/10, it was extended. Thereafter, Lordship, it was not extended, Lordship.
It was not extended, so there is no interim order.
Lordship.
Then what happened then? What is the progress of the case?
Lordship, before the trial court, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, that
If
I'll-
then, since there was no
Lordship, there's no
interim order,
Lordship.
then what happened to the trial?
So that I'll have to take instructions, Lordship, because that has
No,
not-
if you do not have instruction, how can you proceed at this stage? You pass some order.
Lordship.
If they subsequently, if you find that the matter before the trial court is disposed of,
Lordship.
then
Lordship, in that case, Lordship, Lordship may fix it after 1 or 2 days.
what is
Lordship,
the
I'll
nature
take-
of the interim order here?
I mean,
Whether the proceeding was stayed?
Lordship, it was Lordship by order dated 17/9/2019.
Yes. Your order sheet has become thicker than your writ petition. Order dated
17/9/2019. Lordship.
Yes, and then so matter was not charge sheeted.
Lordship, it was charge sheeted, Lordship. It was at the stage of
During the pendency of the case, or
no, Lordship. It was charge sheeted, and then it was
Why-
at the stage of framing of charges only, Lordship. After the order for framing of charges
the
was
earlier interim order was passed only in relation to the FIR, isn't it? It says in the meantime, proceeding against the petitioner in the FIR dated so and so shall remain suspended.
Lordship.
So this gives an impression that there is no charge sheet at that point of time.
It was Lordship. It was charge sheet, Lordship.
At that point of time when this interim order was
Lordship, because
So why
we came before this honorable court after the filing of the framing of charges, Lordship,
so
against the order.
why your stay was limited to the FIR then?
Lordship, maybe Lordship, due to inadvertence, Lordship. But Lordship, in my humble submission, charge sheet was filed, and we had come before this honorable court only after the filing of the framing of charges, Lordship.
So after
We were
1810,
not
there was no
discharged.
extension of
Lordship.
this interim order.
Lordship.
Now we are we have moved another 5 years further. What is the status of the case?
To that effect, Lordship, I'll have to take instructions, Lordship. Lordship, may kindly give me 2 days time, Lordship. I can come back tomorrow, Lordship, with the concrete instructions, Lordship.
Yes, state. What is your instruction here?
My lord, the conducting counsel, Mr. Sen, is on his leg.
Why you are saying it so late?
He told me to let him start, that he'll be coming, and then
He'll be here.
he'll reply.
Where is he?
He's in the court number 2. Yeah, yes, endorses.
You have argued for your discharge, which was rejected.
Lordship.
So why there is a stay in the FIR? Then what it would mean? There was never a stay in the proceeding of the court. So far as the proceeding of the court is concerned. Whether charge has been framed against you or not.
To that extent, Lordship, I'll have to take instructions, Lordship.
After 5 years.
Lordship, may kindly have this matter tomorrow, Lordship. We'll have instructions taken, Lordship. Lordship, here the issue is very limited, Lordship, because, Lordship, in my humble submission, the police officer, Lordship, they being not acting under the Drugs and Cosmetics Acts, they cannot have taken the investigation.
They are not the authorized official.
They are not.
That is okay, but then that point will be taken note at the time of trial. This plea, you can read it there. Here it appears that you have argued for your discharge.
It vitiates the entire proceeding, my lord, in my humble submission, my lord. If the Drugs and Cosmetics Act, Lordship, if it is not followed in toto, Lordship, the very initiation itself it vitiates the
Is it an
proceeding.
admitted position that they were not the authorized official by the state? What you are contending, is it admitted by the state?
It is
If
from
you
the
say
records,
that they are
the record
admitting in,
speaks,
then
Lordship, that they were not the authorized.
so if there is a case of dispute, then it has to be proved in trial, isn't it?
But
So
then, Lordship,
that
there
is
are
what- that is what the problem.
but
See, like we have
Lordship,
our
there are
limitations.
cases, Lordship, where the court
second
has
thing is-
interfered, Lordship. There are judgments, Lordship, where the court has interfered time and again, Lordship, where investigation has been done by the sub-inspector or inspector who is not otherwise authorized.
That is what
Lordship.
you say. That is your contention. But then whether he was authorized official or not, That is what is to be said.
Whether
If it is the case that whatever you say the state admits that, then definitely. Stop. Third, learned counsel for the parties. Do not say hard. You just say this. Criminal petition is filed challenging the order dated 8/4/2019. Passed by the learned session judge, Tura, West Garo Hills. In S/C. You do not know what is sessions case?
Lordship.
In sessions case number 29/2017. Directing for framing of charge against the petitioner. Stop. It appears that six 19 more than two years, or more than 5 years have lapsed from the date of the order of the learned session. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner is not in a position to inform the court about the current status of the case. Current status of the session case number so and so. Okay. Stop. You also do not know what is the status, Mr. Oh, you also will not know. You just do not say. Do not say learned counsel. You say none of the appears for the parties. None of the counsel appearing for the parties are in a position to inform the court about the present status of the case. Stop. The learned counsel of the petitioner shall take instruction with regard to the current status of the That case number, session case number 7, sir. Stop. List after 2 weeks. We take, if there is no use, then we'll just close this matter.
Lordship, we'll take instructions also.
Item number 12.
After, list accordingly, or list after 2 weeks.
Please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm praying this matter to be heard along with item number 10, Lordship, since it's a
Item number 10
connected,
has already been adjourned, Lordship, earlier.
connected matters, Lordship.
When it is coming up?
After 2 weeks.
Is there any order to take this matter together?
Well, it's a connected matter, Your Lord. In both the matter, they are aggrieved by the impugn order passed by the local actor.
You are appearing for?
I'm appearing for the local actor. In item 12, I'm appearing for respondent 1 and 2.
So local actor is the only respondent here?
Private respondents also there, Your Lord.
And what is under challenge here in this case? What is the relief sought for in this case? Why state of Meghalaya is here?
Yes.
Lordship, we have challenged the same order, the impugn order, same impugn order.
Impugn order? By impugn order, which your state has been affected? What is the direction in the impugn order?
There was some direction which was passed by the local actor, so they are aggrieved by those direction. Lordship.
No, you see, earlier it was informed that there is a similar matter. There is writ petition number 120 of 2021.
Yeah, that's the item
is part heard before a coordinate bench.
Yes, Lordship.
What happened? That matter.
Yeah.
What happened to that matter?
Your Lordship, that would be writ petition number 120 of 2021.
Yes,
item
what
number
happened to
10.
that matter?
Lordship, that matter has already been, mentioned this morning, Your Lordship.
Where?
Before this.
Before this bench.
It was listed today.
No, but then it was informed that this matter was part heard before Honorable Justice W.
Your Lordship, that was on the previous occasion when the matter was taken up by Sir Ding Dong. But then, due to some roster changes, matter has been transferred to Your
How
Lordship.
can a part heard matter be transferred?
True, Your Lordship, but
very surprising. You see, due to change of roster, this matter has come before this court.
yes, Lordship.
And on 21st January of this year, it was informed that there is it is connected with a similar matter, WPC 120 of 2021, which is part heard before the. Whether the 120 is before this court?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, Lordship.
What the matter are now before Your Lordships?
How can 120 is a part heard matter? It is adjourned today. The file is there. File is there. That's okay. Forget. Anyway, just you see, if you say like you just in 120, who is appearing?
In 120,
It is also
local
a
actor is
respondent.
party.
yes, local actor is a party also.
120.
In 120, I'm for 2 and
Just
3.
just.
But item 10 and 12 are against the same impugn order.
That is, you understand what happened, Mr. Advocate General, is that earlier in certain occasion,
Yes, my
a
lord.
mention was made that this present matter
Yes, my lord.
is similar to writ petition number 120 of 2021,
Yes, my lord.
and which was part heard before Justice before this thing coordinate bench.
Yes,
Now the thing is that now that part heard matter has also come before this court.
Yes,
Now,
my
if it is part heard matter, how can this court take up? But
Yes,
there
my
is-
lord.
there
Yes,
is
my
no
lord.
order showing that it is part heard. How could the councils make this submission?
Lordship may put this matter for clarification, both the matters, my lord.
The problem is that this court goes by blindly by the
Yes, my
submission
lord.
of the
That
lawyers.
statements made by the council.
So that is something you see, like if
Very serious matter.
the trust is lost, then
Yes,
it
my
becomes
lord.
difficult.
Yes, my lord.
Anyway, just say list after 2 weeks. We're not saying that those matters are coming after 2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
Both matter.
Yes, list after 2 weeks. We're not passing any. As paid for the parties. As paid for by the parties. This is matter after 2 weeks.
Item number 17.
Obliged.
Yeah, oblige.
May this is your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, if this matter can be taken up in the next week, lordship.
Okay, my lord, no.
Why next week? Next week. Then there may be so many matters next week.
Or
Or we can have after 10 days, your lordship. If not,
Oh. There will be change of roster also probably next month. That's likely to affect. So we do not know. So anyway,
lordship, then after a week, your lordship.
if it wasn't 1 week or 2 weeks. 1 week.
One.
This was
Oblige.
same order. What is this matter about?
This is for quashing of the FIR, your lordship.
482, my lord, quashing of FIR, my lord.
Any similar matter this court has had? Passed some order, anything?
My lord,
No.
the FIR that I have filed has been quashed by this honorable court, and now the counterblast FIR, my lord, is here.
Counterblast FIR is here.
Counterblast FIR.
I may not subscribe to that.
I'm sorry. I'm just saying the opposite, my lord. The counterblast FIR to my FIR has been. Oh yes, I was right. I'm sorry.
Anyway.
I'm sorry.
No other matter.